should already know.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. As you can see by the title, we are making some ice cream today. You're gonna need a mixer, some condensed milk, some whipping cream, and a freezer safe bowl. Okay, I want to make cookies and cream ice cream, so I have these cookies. They're like Oreos, but I couldn't find any Oreos, so I chose these cookies. You're going to start by mixing together your condensed milk and your whipping cream. You're going to gradually increase the speed, and as you can see, your ice cream starts getting really thick. You're going to mix on a high speed for about 3 minutes until everything becomes nice and whipped. Your ice cream should look like this, and I'm telling you guys, taste it and it tastes just like vanilla ice cream. I'm adding in my cookies, and you don't have to if you just want vanilla ice cream. I'm going to mix my cookies in and pour it in my freezer safe bowl, and it should look like this. I topped off my ice cream with more cookies because who doesn't love cookies? And then I went ahead and covered it with some saran wrap. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer for 4 hours. I just took it out the freezer, and all I have to say is, this looks really good and I can't wait to taste it. I scooped some of the ice cream into a bowl, and now it's time for a taste test. Okay guys, so the verdict. This tastes just like cookies and cream ice cream, if not creamier. You can taste the cookies, you can taste like everything. And I like it because it's such a simple recipe. All you need is 2 ingredients for ice cream, guys. I would recommend this to everyone. That's the end of the video. So y'all should like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.